Good evening, guys. If you can see my screen, you can type in the chat box that you can see my screen. And if you can hear my voice, you can type in the chat box that you can hear my voice. While we wait for the others to come in. Okay, kindly mute yourselves as you come in. Okay, welcome, guys. I'm just going to start quickly. I can't be waiting for anybody. We're going to talk about basically, thank you guys for joining. I want to talk about the psychology of trades, first of all. I know cryptocurrency sounds strange to some people, and to some people it sounds very, very okay. And some people might say, why cryptocurrency? Why is it so noisy this time around? Why do we have so much noise about it nowadays? Now, cryptocurrency is actually for everyone. It is like money is for everyone, banking is for everyone. So also is cryptocurrency. It's actually for everyone as well. It is for you, it is for me, it is the future of money. As long as you buy and sell, then cryptocurrency is for you. Okay? As long as you buy and sell, cryptocurrency is for you. So no matter how you try to run away from it, you still need to learn how to trade cryptocurrency. Even if you don't know how to trade cryptocurrency, you still need to know how to cite good coins and how to buy them and how to hold them for the long term, or how to start spending them small if you want to know how to spend them. All right. So we're going to just dive quickly into the psychology of trading. Okay. No matter, some people have tried to trade forex market for a very long time, and it's difficult. I am a forex trader. I've been trading forex for like 3 years now, and the idea of forex is almost the same with crypto because of the technical analysis part, where we have to do technical analysis like the one you're seeing on my screen right now. But it is a little bit different because at this point you are working with real people, and you actually almost know the people that are moving this market. You can predict when the market will move and when the market will not move. And to me, crypto is easier. You can trade crypto and be profitable almost immediately, while you could be trading forex and be losing your money anyhow. If you know what you are doing in crypto, you can make a ton of money. Like earlier today, I shared on the group where an account went from very little to over $2,000. So those ones are from shit coins. We call them shit coins. We call those ones shit coins. But those ones are from shit coins. But that doesn't mean we can't make money of them. All right? That doesn't mean we can't make money of them. I just hope everyone is hearing me, so I'm not speaking to myself alone. Okay? So I'm just going to talk about the psychology of trading briefly. Now, it is like pure economics, okay? The law of supply and demand. The higher the demand in something, the increase in demand of something, the increase in price. It is like Gary in the market. Yesterday, I went out to buy Gary, and they told me Gary is 500 naira for a rubber. And I was like, why? Now, it is kind of somehow rice has become expensive. I thought about it, that maybe rice has become expensive for a lot of people that don't have money. And then they are rushing into the demand for gari. Or maybe semo has become too expensive for a lot of people and they are rushing into the demand for gari. And then gari has become expensive. Now, when the demand is high for something, the sellers of that same thing decide to increase the price. And as soon as they do that, they know that people will definitely come for it. So they keep increasing the price. That's what happens to crypto. When a particular market is, let me use this Euro GBP that I'm trading right here as an example. Right here, Euro GBP fell. And when the demand for Euro GBP started coming up, when the demand for Euro is the main pair, when the demand for Euro started coming up, and there were more people putting money into Euro and demanding for the currency, the price shot up right here. It was around here I took my trade this morning and I made some profit. And at some point, some people decided to discount the price a little bit. And this is the discount right here. And then continue pushing it up. And then I took another trade from here. I'm waiting for it to get to this point before it falls down. That is a little psychology. I'm using the psychology of economics to take trades on the crypto or the forex market. Okay? Now, for a crypto trader, you must have been hearing some analogies, some talks about, you hear stuff like FOMO, stuff like this. You must have been hearing shit. You might have seen a lot of shitcoin stuff on Twitter and all that. I've seen a lot of stuff like that. Now, FOMO means fear of missing out. A lot of people, because of the hype of a particular coin on Twitter or on social media, they decide to jump into that coin. They start asking everybody, how do I buy this coin? They don't do their proper research. We call that, you will see stuff like DYOR, do your own research, okay? They don't do their own research. They just jump into that particular coin and start buying it. Okay, somebody cannot hear me. I don't know if somebody else can hear me. If you cannot hear me, please put it in the chat section there. I would like to see it. If you cannot hear me, just put it in the chat section there. Let me know how many people don't hear me actually. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. One person can hear me. Someone else can hear me. Okay, I think Mr. Ozo, I think you should turn on you should connect via audio. If you can connect via audio, just try to do that. It should be better. It should actually be better. If you cannot do that, you can go out and join us again. Okay? You can go out and join us again. So, now, people don't do their own research. You just hear BNB is going up, BNB is going up, and then you jump in and you want to buy BNB. Why do you want to buy BNB? Why do you think if you put your money in BNB today, that your money will not go for vanishing tomorrow? Many people just jump into coins because they feel they should jump into coins and they should make money because people have made money. Yes, some of us have made money, but because we've learned these things, there's a psychology. You need to know when to enter and when not to enter. That's why some people say pay $100,000, pay $1,000 to come and learn how to trade crypto, because there is a lot of things that go into this. Nowadays, even the professionals self are even looking foolish because there are lots of coins that are even making more money than their professional coins. BTC is never making as much money as shit coins these days. Like your SafeMoon. SafeMoon is everywhere. SafeMass, all the safe projects are making a lot of money. A lot of people are FOMOing into these coins. They call it fear of missing out. They call them newbies. They just jump into coins, okay? That one psychology should tell you that you can't just jump into a coin and buy because people are making money off it. You should do your own research. You should ensure that that coin is doing well. Although I will tell you like 4 coins that you should buy by the end of this class. Everybody should go and buy them and leave them for the next 5 years. After 5 years, save my number. After 5 years, contact me and buy me a house in Maitama, Abuja. That is what I want to collect from you. One estate in Maitama, Abuja. Go and buy those 4 coins. By the end of the class, I'm going to share them with you, okay? Now, before a coin goes online and there is a buzz, like there is noise and it's trending and all that, that coin has probably pushed up more than 500% before it came online. That is just the truth, okay? That coin has possibly shot up like 500% before there was a lot of noise on Twitter, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, or wherever. It has jumped up like 500%. And then those that knew about it while it was still in its airdrop stage, or while it was still in its testing phase or pre-sale stage, those that knew about it when it was still in its pre-sale stage already made a lot of money. And by the time it is listed on Binance, you are just joining in and FOMOing into that coin without your proper analysis, without doing anything. You just jump into that coin and then you lose your money. Or you have to wait another 28 years for the coin to move, which is wrong, because those that first joined are taking profit. Now, I will explain this quickly before I move into the next thing. What makes a coin go up? I said earlier it is demand. The increase in demand makes a coin actually move up. Now, you say, is it a decrease in demand that now reduces the price? No. No, it's not a decrease in demand that reduces the price. To me, if books tell me it's the decrease in demand that reduces the price, they are okay. But I'll tell you, it is the whales that are taking profit. Now, the whales are the rich people that are actually pumping billions into the market. Somebody somewhere decides to put in $2 billion in a coin, the market will push up because it will increase the demand for that market. Now, all of you will carry your money and buy that same coin. Now, he puts $2 billion, only him, and then there are 1 million other people that put in $1. That makes it extra $1 million in the market. Now, this billionaire goes into that market, pulls out his $2 billion plus $800,000 from your 1 million and leaves $200,000 for the 1 million people to go and share. I think I read a thread by Danny on Twitter, and he made a very good analysis of this. And I was just laughing while I was reading that thread because it's very true. The rich people just go in, put a lot of money, the price goes up, and all of us jump into the coin. And when it goes up to a particular extent, they just take their profits and move. Okay, they just take their profits and they move. That is what makes the price of a coin drop. Okay, I need to understand it. I'm trying to explain it I need to understand it in layman terms so that you can explain it to a 5-year-old. Okay, you can explain it to a 2-year-old. If they ask you, brother, sister, what is crypto? You can actually explain it. Okay, so two things: don't jump into a coin, don't FOMO into a coin, or else you'll be dumped on by the whales, and don't hold shit coins too long. Now, how do you know a shit coin? When Bitcoin wanted to start, when Bitcoin started with a couple of cents, like 0.03 or something, in 2009, 2010. But now we see some coins like your Safe Project, your Safe Moon, and all that coins starting with like 0.000000001. Now, this type of coin, with the market cap that they are promising and whatever they are promising, it's a bloody lie. Although the coins will get burnt over time, but it is still a bloody lie. I know most of us just go and start pricing Lamborghini. Yes, but if you get burnt over time, this is what we used to know a shit coin. When you see the price of a coin doing this, with this kind of this decimal, it is a shit coin. You should put in your money, and as soon as it gives you double of that money, take your profit and run away. I was sharing with some guys in my other group yesterday some shit coins, and we're buying and we're making money, Some people held it, like some guys last week to do the same. Some people held it from last week till now. Some are in loss. Some of us took profit and left their money for them. I took my capital and I took some profit and I left their money for them. If it wants to go to the moon, good luck. If it wants to come down, good luck. Another shit coin is Doggy Coin by Elon Musk. The one that Elon Musk is pumping up and down is Doggy Coin. And a lot of people will lose their money by the time Elon Musk is done with that coin. And Elon Gates too. A lot of people lose their money when that guy is done with that. Okay. So there are 3 main platforms that we use in crypto. Let's jump into it right away. There are 3 main platforms that we use in crypto. We use Binance. That is Binance. We have Binance right here on my screen. This is my own account. I believe most of us already have Binance already. And then we use TradingView. This is TradingView. We use TradingView to analyze. Right here, under crypto, I could analyze ADA USD, ADA USDT. Now, this is ADA, and ADA is in a consolidation phase right now. ADA is in a consolidation phase. So we can say, don't buy ADA yet because of this consolidation, don't buy ADA yet. You might be forced to want to jump into it. Don't buy ADA until this happens. Until ADA comes out of this line and breaks out, don't buy ADA. So I'm watching this, and I've been watching this. And as soon as ADA breaks out of this, I'll be buying ADA. We use TradingView to analyze. We use Binance as an exchange platform. Binance is like a broker, okay, for crypto. We have Forex brokers. We have brokers for the real estate, and we have brokers for crypto. Binance is a broker for crypto. It's an exchange platform for crypto. And then we have Trust Wallet. We have Trust Wallet. That is where we buy most of all these smaller coins. Those three platforms are very important to note down. Binance, Trust Wallet, TradingView, especially TradingView and Binance, because TradingView is where you analyze your coins. Even though you don't buy on TradingView, you get to analyze on TradingView, and you must analyze. If you don't know how to analyze, you need to get someone that can analyze for you, or someone that analyzes and gives you his updates, or else you will just be losing lots of money. You could buy a coin at the top here. A coin could be pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping and get here. You go and buy here. And by the time you are done buying here, it will drop way down to this point, and you will lose a lot of money. People that bought here must have lost a lot of money till now. Okay? So you don't want to be buying your coins at the top. You want to see what is going on in the market by yourself, or you want to work with someone that is seeing what is going on in the market. I would advise you see it yourself. Okay? And then Trust Wallet, Binance, TradingView, and PancakeSwap, then JuiceSwap. PancakeSwap, JuiceSwap. These two are like smaller exchanges that are closely related to Trust Wallet. Once you have your Trust Wallet, they'll give you 12 words or 11 words. Keep them safe. You will need them to log in any other time to your wallet in case you want to use another phone. Okay? And don't give it to anyone, because I can log into your own wallet with those 12 words. You would see, I'm going to drop a video on the group on how to use PancakeSwap and JuiceSwap. I have a video on YouTube. I just did that with my phone yesterday also. I'll show you how to use JuiceSwap, or how to connect JuiceSwap to your Trust Wallet, and how to connect PancakeSwap to your Trust Wallet. So stay tuned for that one. I will drop it on the group. It's not much of a big deal. I'll drop it on the group. And now we have BTC. That is the major coin. People don't buy BTC anymore. Okay, it's 60-something thousand now. BTC is like $56,000 now. That's dropped down to 52. Good luck. Now BTC is $52,000 now. We have BNB that is about $500 and something dollars. BNB is the official coin for Binance. Okay. Now I will tell you two coins that you must buy now. You must buy BNB and you must buy TWT. BNB and TWT. Please, I beg in the name of God, go and buy BNB and go and buy TWT. How do you buy BNB? After you've registered on Binance, okay? Hold on, I'm trying to accept two people in. After you've registered on Binance, you come to P2P here, right here. If you're using your phone, you can see the exchange. You will see something like markets below. Just click on that and look for P2P, or you see trade market. You see P2P, and then you click on buy. Okay. Excuse me. You click on buy. As soon as you click on buy, you will see different coins. Click on the coin you want to buy, especially buy USDT. Buy USDT. Anytime you are buying coin, I would advise you even buy USDT more than buying BNB or buying BTC to swap to other coins. Because by the time you are swapping from BTC to other coins, they are taking charges and it's dropping your money. You'll be losing $2, $1, some cents, which is not so cool in this our economy. You don't lose money. We don't lose money in this place. We don't lose money at all. Okay? So buy USDT. USDT is more of a stable coin. I will throw this in before we move on. Quickly. If you are earning money in Naira right now, I would advise that once you get your salary, go and use it to buy USDT on Binance. That is the fact. Now, USDT is very stable. USDT is like dollars, okay? It's like a stable dollar. USDT is like a stable dollar. Hold on. USDT is like a stable dollar. So when the naira is fluctuating and it's going up and it's devaluing your own money, USDT is stable. And anytime you need it, you can just pull it out and return it to naira. Possibly you would even be in profit. Okay? Especially if you have a lot, you'll be in profit. That has happened to me before. You just be in profit for nothing. Okay? So buy USDT from pair to pair. Now, pair to pair is very, very safe. Now, how do you know who to buy from? I'm rushing a lot into this because I want you guys to get it as fast as possible, and I want questions to be asked on the group so I can answer them. Okay? How do you know who to buy from so that you don't fall into scams? Now, this peer-to-peer, a lot of people just come here and want to scam you of your money because you transfer your money from your bank account to their bank account without the description of crypto so that the bank does not block them. Nigerian does not block them. Nigerian banks does not block them. Now, when you transfer it to them, you don't want to actually fall into a scam where somebody does not send you your crypto and you sent the money. So you look for, hold on, wallet. You come to wallet and you see P2P. Okay. We come to wallet, you see P2P. You see P2P, and then this is USDT. I want to buy USDT right now, okay? So I click on buy. I click on buy, and this is yuan. I need to change it to naira. Okay. Now, if you want to buy from anybody on this platform, look for people with the check sign, with the verification sign, and ensure you read this guy. Ensure you read this guy and confirm it. They don't bear any responsibility if you lose your money. So ensure you read that. Now, look for people with the verification sign and then the number of orders that they've completed and their completion percentage. This tells you that, this shows you their credibility. That's all I need to say. It shows you their credibility and you don't want to go too far. Don't look for cheap price. A price that is too cheap is likely to be a scam. This person is selling his own at 496 naira per USDT. Somebody else right here could be selling his own at 490. You want to jump on that one. There are chances that you are falling into a scam. Okay? So when you pay for it, it lands in your wallet, in your USDT wallet in less than 15 minutes. And then you can actually easily swap it for other coins. I will also drop a video on how to swap coins from USDT to BNB. Basically, BNB is the native crypto of Binance. Binance owns BNB, and they even own it on their own technology, the BSC, the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so most of their gas fee, we call it gas fee, the charges that they make on transfers, small transfers, like the bank charges, the ATM maintenance that our bank does for us, is what we call gas fee. Okay, sorry guys, I'm maxed out. I feel like drinking water. It's what they call gas fee. Okay, so you should have some BNB in your wallet. Now, when you have your USDT, it's easy to just transfer it into your BNB wallet, and then you have BNB. If you want to hold BNB till 2025, good luck. Keep some BNB. But you need BNB to actually do some transactions on other coins. If you want to buy Solana, if you want to buy ADA, if you want to buy Dogecoin, if you want to buy Kava, if you want to buy Wave, any other coin you want to buy, you will need BNB to do this transfer. BNB and USDT, especially USDT. Okay? Especially USDT. You will need it to do all those transfers. Let us look at trade, for example. Look at trade, for example. USDT to interesting. USDT, I want to transfer USDT to BNB, for example. I click on my mount. I don't have USDT right now because I have transferred everything out to my Trust wallet. I transfer it to BNB rather. Now, I just enter the amount I want to enter, and I do this, and I enter, and I move it immediately. It doesn't take long, less than 5 minutes. My BNB has arrived, and I can do whatever I want to do. If you want to transfer to Trust Wallet is a different platform from Binance. You need to send BNB to BNB or USDT to USDT. You go and copy your wallet address from Trust Wallet, and then you come to this place and you paste it. That is if you want to transfer out of this place, transfer out of Binance. I'll use my phone to do a video on that and send it to you guys on the group. Okay, you need to know that one. Some people have transferred USDT from here. You go to their Trust Wallet, they go and copy Binance Smart Chain address and come and transfer it directly from USDT. Your money will never arrive in Trust Wallet. I have fallen into that situation before. I transferred $55 worth of USDT to BSC. That was a while ago, and my money did not arrive. I had to send mails. I had to go and start doing some useless verifications. I even learned programming small self. I started learning how to hack all these private keys and all that time because my $55 was very important to me. Okay, so if you are transferring, make sure you are transferring from the same wallet to the same wallet. Now, I would like you guys to write this one down. BNB or BSC are running on BEP20. BEP20. We call it BEP20 wallet, BEP20 wallet. That is your BSC. Your BNB is BEP2 wallet. So if you are transferring, know where you are transferring to. Your Ethereum is ERC20 wallet. People stopped using ERC20. Last year, last 2 years, we were transferring on ERC20 wallet. But the gas fee was always very expensive. That's the transaction fee, right? It was always very expensive. So people had to move to BSC, which is quite cheaper. Then you could be transferring $50 worth of Ethereum, and you'll be spending like $10 for gas fee. But right now, you could be transferring $1 million worth of BNB, and your gas fee will just be $1 or 1.5. Okay, so that is that about that. I'm still going to drop the video on the group, and you guys are going to learn a lot from that. Okay. So we've talked about a lot of things. I've said you guys should buy BNB and buy TWT. Now, one other thing you should buy, one other coin you should buy, very important coin, is cake. Now, you are buying cake because you are buying cake and you are holding cake for as long as possible. These 3 coins I'm just telling you now, you are not buying it and looking for profit tomorrow or next tomorrow. You are buying these coins and you are keeping it till forever. In short, keep it for your children. BNB is the BTC of today. What will you do if BTC comes back to $500? You possibly would sell everything you have to buy BTC. That's just the truth. If BTC drops back to like $10,000, I will sell everything I have to buy BTC. Because I know that drop is going to open the room for $1 million. Exactly. It's going to open the room for BTC to jump to $1 million. So I will definitely go and buy a lot of BTC. If I have my way, I will buy 2 BTC or 3 BTC. I'll just go and pump my money there. If it falls back to like $5,000. Okay, so go and do that same thing for BNB. BNB is owned by Binance. Do the same thing for TWT. TWT is for Trust Wallet. It's called Trust Wallet token. Go and buy it. These coins are not really having the buzz, especially TWT. It's not having any buzz online at all. And it's not up to $1 yet. It is a secret. Just go and buy it. People are not talking about it. By the time people will start talking about it, maybe by then it must have gotten to like maybe $25 or $30. Go and buy as much as possible. If you have 100K, go and buy it. Okay. And then Cake is owned by PancakeSwap. It's from PancakeSwap that they buy all those shit coins from. Okay. Shit coins like your SafeMoon. You can buy Cake from there too. You can buy most of all these coins from there. But most of the time, shit coins get listed on PancakeSwap before they get listed on Binance. Binance does not just list any coin like that. They have to do their due diligence before they actually list the coin. And the coin should actually have an actual utility, should have a use before it will actually come on the Binance platform. Sorry if I'm confusing, if I'm a little bit confusing, just put it in the chat session that, bro, slow down. And if you are following, I would still like, if you can, put it in the chat session. And I'll watch my ways, okay? So, and we talked about stable currencies. We have 2 stable currencies. USDT. I told you about USDT. It's a very stable currency. And BUSD. But in all and all, focus more on USDT. Just focus more on USDT. For real, focus more on USDT. It is more stable. Very, very stable. Doesn't fluctuate like other coins that would go up today and jump down tomorrow, like Bitcoin. Bitcoin fell from 64,000 up here straight down to 51,000. You don't want your money to be going for vanishing like that. Yes, if you have to swap USD for BNB to be the correct BNB rate, and currently BNB is how much? BNB USDT. BNB USDT is currently at $517, and it's still dropping. It's still dropping. So I think you should not even buy yet. Hold on. With this analysis, it is on a buy zone. So if you have money, go and buy now. It is at a dip. It is currently at a dip. So go and buy now. If you have the money, buy now. If it still continues to dip, then I would announce on the group, we'll buy here. We'll buy when it dips this place. But if you have money, buy now. It's 517. Okay, it's 517. Can I swap Tron for TWT? I will check. I have not tried it before. Okay, because Tron is on a TRC wallet and TRC20 network, and TWT is, I think TWT is on his own type of network on smart chain wallet. So I will check and I will get a response. Please try to DM me personally for that question. I will work on it. Okay. So we'll talk about how to create a wallet. Everybody go and create an account on Binance if you haven't, and do your KYC. You need to submit your valid ID and all that. Ensure you submit that, and you will add the particular browser on your Trust Wallet. Download Trust Wallet and open your wallet. I will share you some video links from my YouTube channel, and you guys can actually go and watch that. And if you help you a whole lot, okay? Then I will show you how to use PancakeSwap to buy most of all these coins, and how to work with slippage tolerance. Very important, so that you don't get too much gas fee. You cannot be swapping $10 something and you'll be having $5 fee. It is very, very wrong. That is a very bad business. We are all doing business here, right? So you don't want to swap a $10 something and they will charge you $5 for it. It is bad business. It is not wise in whatever way. It is not wise to do that kind of thing. It is not wise, okay? And then you need to be clearing your cache. Yes, very important. Clear your cache. I don't know where that one is here, but it's my phone. I know where it is though. You come to your settings. You come to your settings around here. I don't know. I don't use my laptop to do this thing. So. Okay. Come to settings. Come to settings. I don't know where settings is. Let's leave it. Clear your cache. People of God, clear your cache. Very, very important. Let me check security. Clear your cache, very important. I'll tell you why. While you are doing your transfers from a particular wallet to another wallet, right? There are, okay, I've seen it, settings. While you are doing transfers from a particular wallet to another wallet, those wallets are stylishly having access to your, they are stylishly having wallets to your, they're stylishly having access to your wallets, to your infos and all that and all that. So you don't want to fall victim and let all these hackers use that to enter into your hack access into your wallet and take your money. It's very wrong. So from time to time, clear your cache. When I see it, I will put a picture. I'll put pictures online. I'll put pictures. I'll check for it here. I'll just check for it on my phone, because most of us use our phones to do all these things. Okay. Don't use laptop most of the time. So, and for your Trust Wallet, to go to settings, you see cache there, just clear it. From time to time, you can do it once a week or once in 2 weeks. Just go and clear your cache. It's very important. So that all these PancakeSwap people with shit coins will not have access to your wallet and scam you or hack you and take out all your money. Okay? It's very, very important. So we've talked about a lot of things tonight. Like an intro. And I want you guys to take action. I made it free because we all need this information and we all need to make money, guys. We all need to make money. You can't sit with your 9 to 5 forever. You can never do that. You can never do that. This is the future right here. A lot of information are flying everywhere. There are free information everywhere on YouTube, on Twitter, and the one you are listening to right now. So thanks for coming up online, guys. If you have questions, throw them up on the group. throw them up to me in my DMs. I get a lot of DMs though, a whole lot of DMs, but definitely I will answer you. Definitely I will answer you. And I will tell you how these things work. All right? I will. Okay. You're welcome. So, one more thing before we go. Coin market cap. Now, this website is very important. Very, very important. When you hear of a particular coin, you need to come and check that coin on coin market cap. You don't just jump into that coin for the sake of the fact that the coin exists. Now, you come here, you search for the coin. Now, let us say we are looking for Pitbull. There is one shit coin raining now, Pitbull. Pitbull. You can see Pitbull right here. So I click on Pitbull, okay? Yes, it's recorded. I click on Pitbull and I come here. I can read the white paper. I can see the source code. I can visit their community, and I can do a lot of things for Pitbull. Now, these things that I am doing is to make me know whether this coin is a shit coin or a real coin. Okay. We have less than 3 minutes. So I'm going to throw a lot of light on arbitrage, but I will explain it. I will type it on the group. I don't know the group you are from, but I will type it on the groups. So this is where you can actually come and research on what the coin actually does and why they are doing the coin. Now, this coin is worth 0.000001. That's a bloody shit coin. But you can buy it for quick gains, because tomorrow the coin could just fly to like 300% and you make a lot of money. Your $1,000 could become 10,000. I bought a coin with $200, $250, about 250, and it went times 8. 250, 250, 250 in 8 places. For real, guys. And then I put $1 in another coin, thinking the coin will never do anything. And that coin went to $15 from $1. So if I had put $1,000 in that coin, I would have had $15,000 in less than 48 hours, guys. That is what shitcoin does. They just fly for no reason. Okay? But to do your due diligence, make sure you research on these things so that you don't lose money. If you hold a shitcoin for too long, it will go up and give you profit and come back down right before your very eye and scatter all your money. Okay? So that is that. And then this Binance Smart Chain contract address. This contract, this is the contract address right here. Now you click on it and it takes you to BSC Scan. This is another platform owned by Binance where you can scan, you'll see more about the coin. Now this coin price is whatever they put there. The market cap is 60 million and the total supply is rubbish, 100 billion trillion dollar pound, whatever they put there. And then we have 95,000 people holding this coin right now. 95,000 people have bought into this coin. So there are chances that this coin would push up for a while and possibly come down. I don't know. But there are chances that it will still push up. And then this contract address, you can copy it. If you copy this contract address and you go and paste it on the search bar of your Trust wallet, it will bring out Pitbull. You can save it and have it on your wallet page, on your home page. So you can be buying or you can be monitoring your tokens that you bought on Pitbull. Okay, and there's another one, Pig token, Pig. So that and that and that. I'll show you guys how to buy all these tokens on Trust Wallet, and I'll show you how to buy and swap from USD to BNB on Binance and how to use Pancake Swap. Thanks for coming along, guys. If you have any question, just ask. We have about 1 minute to go. This class is recorded. I will upload it on YouTube and I'll share the link because I can't be sharing this video on WhatsApp. So I'll put it on YouTube and I'll share the link. So the few of us that are here can watch. The few of us in the groups can watch. I think less than 1,000 people all can watch all these things and then they can all learn from it. We need to know the basis of these things, not just going into buying coins anyhow and losing our money. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. Please, guys, don't listen to people that just put you in a group and say, buy this one, don't buy that one, buy this one, don't buy that one. Because the day you lose your money, they fall out on you. Okay, my name is the Williams FX. If you check the Williams FX, I have about 20 videos there, but they are not all crypto. They are Forex videos. I did some from last year when I was teaching some guys Forex and some crypto videos too. The Williams FX, on YouTube. So thank you guys for coming along. I'll see you later. I'll see you later.